In this video, I will show you how to create an Authy account. So to do this, you first just want to go and open up Authy by either downloading the app or just going to their website. And then once you click Create Account or first open up the app, you will see this. So it will start with your phone number. So just choose your country code. So for me, it's the Netherlands. And then after that, enter your phone number and click Submit. Then it says verify your account, so select one of the following methods to verify your account. I will receive an SMS message, but you can pick any of them. And then after verifying, they will request to send notifications, so you can allow it or not. And then you have successfully created your account. Now you can just add an account right here. So for this, you can either scan a QR code, or what you can do is enter a key manually, and then here just enter the key for example, a crypto exchange, then give it the name of the exchange, and then you will have set up Authy as well. So now you know how to create an Authy account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.